Now I know where I am, I know where I need to go. I'm here. I need to go here. It's completely straight line, and I know that I won't take a bad turn because there are none. It takes 2 hours, so I'm gonna walk it. Now find the earbud which fell off my ear and it landed here with a lot of white leaves all around here. I got it, I'm here, and believe it or not, it took truly only exactly how long Google Maps told me, 2 hours. But it's there, I live somewhere up there. I ate a breakfast, it was a really cool one, and now I need to pack for festival, deliver session, let you know how it went, shoot some b-roll maybe into video because Warsaw is a beautiful city, and then I share a little bit more about what you can expect. Now, see you in about 2-3 hours. I need it. Session is done. It was successful, I think. They told me. I think they really liked Figma View. It showed them cool opportunities they could help within their work. And now for the rest of this day, I really only have 3 things. So I was thinking now is the right time to get to the point of this video, or not maybe this one, but to whatever comes next. And I decided to start a different format on top of what I already do, which is something like a vlog. And the reason for that is that last week I attended AI Film Festival in Monaco, which is a beautiful city, and I will touch on that one in the second video. But when I got back, a lot of people actually started to ask how was it, what I did there, how does Monaco look like, whether there were some cool keynotes, things like that. So it came to me that some people care, they want to know more, and I didn't really have a medium for that to share my experience. And when I was thinking about it more, it somehow clicked, because I realized in whatever I do, I really miss one thing, which is character development. Stay with me. When I do content, when I do trainings, when I teach here or there, or maybe even at this festival, I always go hard on explaining how important are fundamentals when you are doing AI production, meaning world development, character development, direction, this or that, because these things actually matter. And it came to me that I'm not doing what I preach. Within my content, it's mostly about tools, workflows, projects. However, there is little content about me, if there is any. And in this scenario, I am the character. So if I plan for this to be sustainable, I need to do what I preach. I need to introduce a bit of character development, meaning showing you also my life, myself, so you get to know me better. And no matter how metaphorically it may sound, I know it works. Now this is really painful. Behind me you can see one of the most iconic buildings in Warsaw, but there is some construction happening. I can see cranes there and it doesn't look good. So we have AI and we can do a little adjustments. Construction site be gone. 3, 2, 1, now. And this look is even better, but still, we can see a crane, so be gone. Now, a short note on Warsaw city. I have been here maybe 25 years ago, so I don't remember a thing. But now that I'm here, it's one of the most beautiful city I have been. Although I'm walking only through the central part, it's beautiful, it's clean, people are nice, so if you ever consider coming here, do it. Now back to wandering. I don't know where, I just walk and explore. That's my plan, nothing else. Can you imagine I am looking at this bird for like 5 to 7 minutes because it's funny, he tries to get a food out of a pack. Anyway. Oh, a friend.
Ooh, hello. Hi guys.
I met my first Brazilian in Poland.
There you go.
How cool is that? Probably the strongest impulse for that was me watching a series on Netflix, 4 seasons, where the last season landed different on me, like really strong. I couldn't tell why. So me being me, I started to dig into it, I rewatched it, I tear all the scenes apart. And then I realized the sole factor of why the 4th one was so strong for me was the character development. Because in first 3 seasons, the main character were different. So I just liked it. But through those 3 seasons, they were developing a character for the 4th one. And I somehow realized that I see myself in him. Like, not literally, but metaphorically. So I was caring more. I could maybe see myself in his position. Most importantly, I cared. And that was the main reason why it landed different. It had nothing to do with the quality of production, which was perfect through all seasons. It was really only character development. So I got to know him better slowly. And when the light started to shine on him, I cared. So that's what I try to do with this. To show you my reality, whatever it may be. Sometimes it's me being on a cool place like this one. Sometimes it's everyday life with everyday struggles because something didn't work out. And it's fair to share. Otherwise, this won't be sustainable because tools come and go, workflows come and go. It's only me that is here all the time. So if you know me better, you start trust me, you start to care. That's the most important thing to actually achieve. So not trying to do that would be hypocrisy. At least I see it this way. Because if I can tell people on my trainings 10 times this matters, but in reality I'm not doing it for myself, that's not right. So I rather start to do it. I have no expectations. If I'm doing it right, it will attract the correct kind of people and repel others. That's it. I'm not for everyone, but those that care, it's so nice to meet them at such events, or if they write me, if they send a great message to me which keeps me going. All these little interactions really matter. And that's the reason why I don't want to take it for granted. Understood? Back to the venue.